Welcome, you are in Saibhang Softronics. We are one-stop solutions provider company. Saibhang Softronics is recognized as a renowned organization in matters of IT and AI around the globe, which incorporated in 2018 in India. We are working with determination and diligence with a professional team of varied aspects, be it IT engineers, web developers, designers, product engineers, or experts in diverse fields of IT and AI. We received ISO 9001:2015. Our range of services includes software solutions, web development, PCB, assemblies, robotics, hardware design engineering, GPS tracking, and AI-enabled EOTs. Whether you are looking for reducing expenses or energy footprint, optimizing efficiency or productivity of workforces, or for turning your idea into an innovation, we provide the best solutions for your needs. We have few patents listed so far and have established offices in India, USA, and Canada, exploring more to expand globally.
Our services are web development, domain hosting, UX design, mobile app design, web design, logo icon design, domain hosting, cybersecurity, AI-enabled projects, and augmented reality, virtual reality-based projects. Moreover, in IoT solutions, we will provide you industrial IoT solutions, CAD designing solutions, PCBA design, smart city IoT, electromedical, and telematic solutions.
Our custom software development services include enterprise desktop and web application design and development, along with database management. With our foresight into next-generation software solutions and services, we help drive application transformation with our expertise in mobility solutions, business intelligence, and cloud services. Saibhang Softronics team is experts to convert visions into software solutions. Click on Skype or WhatsApp icon, you will connect with our expert immediately. You can email us. Our email ID is support@saibhang.co. For the latest updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching the video.